when we look at 183 cases, usually they make reference to this like 9-factor test. So the courts have developed a 9-factor test to determine, are you in this for money or is this just a scam, right? Is this really a hobby for you and you're not going to ever really make money at this, and therefore it's not deductible, and certainly not deductible as an ordinary and necessary business expense. So let's go through real quick what the 9 factors are, and then we'll break them down one by one. So those 9 factors are, what is the manner in which you carry it on? Do you take it seriously? Do you have separate accounting files and records, right? Do you treat this seriously? How are you carrying on with this? What is your second one? What is your expertise, right? Are you going into something brand new, or have you had a career in this, and have you had previous experience in this industry or in this line of business you're going to do? The third is time and effort. So we want to look at how much time and effort you're going to spend in this activity, right? If this is more than a hobby for you, you should be devoting substantial time and effort to this. The fourth one is then, what's your expectation of appreciation in the business assets, right? Do you expect things to appreciate? So this helps with like real estate. Like if you're not going to make money on real estate, because a lot of times with depreciation you're negative, but fine. Are you just in a longer business cycle? So what is your expectation of appreciation of the assets? The fifth is then success in similar activities. So they want to look at your past history and determine, have you been successful in the past? Have you done this before? Had a good exit, if you will, for real estate purposes, right? And do you have a track record of doing this before? The sixth is then history of income or loss, right? Have you made income in the past, or has it always been losses? The seventh is then amount of occasional profit. So even if you made a little bit of profit, well, what's the amount? Is it far outweighing how many losses you've made, or are you just funding this for deductions? Right? That's kind of the risk here. So going on to 8 is then financial status, meaning, does this help you? Did you get tax help from this, right? This kind of is the tell a lot of times, is like, what's your real motivation for doing this? And then the last one is then personal pleasure or recreation, right? So anytime that the IRS can get a hint of there's a lot of personal kind of commingling here,